YouTube? Isaac Trade here with one stock you need to add to your watch list immediately. Now, before I jump into this video, remember, I am not a financial advisor nor expert. This is for entertainment only. Don't be lazy, man. Look at some charts, read an article, listen to some random guy or chick on YouTube. Throw a rock in any direction, you'll hit at least 8. Now, for this stock I am buying, it is ABB. A little information on ABB because it's really, I really didn't know nothing about it, but I'm not investing in ABB. They have IPO coming out with they're coming up with an electric company IPO. So let me get into some stuff for you guys right here. So ABB Ltd Manufacturing, ticker symbol ABB. It sells electrification, industrial automation, and robotics and motion productions for customers in utilities, industrial and transportations, and infrastructure worldwide. Its electrification segment provides electrical vehicle charging infrastructure, renewed power solutions, module substation packages, distribution, automation products, switchboards and panel boards, switch gears, UPS solutions, circuit breakers, measurings and sensing devices, control products, wiring accessories, enclosures and cabling systems, and intelligent home and building solutions for integrated and automating lighting, heating, ventilation, security, and data communication networks. The company's robotics and discrete automation segment provides industrial robotics software, robotics solution and systems, field services, spare parts, and digital services. This segment also offers solutions based on its programmable logic controller, industrial PCs, servo motion, transport systems, and machine vision. Its industrial automation segment develops and sells industrial specific integrated automation and electrification system solutions, as well as digital solutions, life cycle services, and artificial intelligence applications for the process and hybrid industries. This segment also offers process and discrete control technologies, advanced process control system, and manufacturing executive systems, sensing, measurement, analytic instruments. They even do electric ship propulsion systems. That's pretty cool right there. I mean, we need that. And large turbochargers. Yes, electric turbochargers, baby. Okay. As well as remote monitoring, preventive maintenance, asset performance management, and cybersecurity services. Wow, man, these guys are involved in a lot. But remember, I'm not investing in this company right here. I'm interested in something else. So the company's motion segment manufactures and sells drives, motors, generators, traction converters, and mechanical power transmission products. Has a strategic collaboration with IBM. Oh, wow, 1983. Okay, they're based in Switzerland. That's good right there. Let me give you guys a couple of important numbers on them before I jump into other stuff. They got, market cap is $66.18 billion. They have a dividends of 0.87. Earnings per share is 120. 52-week high was 33.48. So back into what I like about what I'm looking at. Why I'm even talking about this company right here. Okay, so why I'm talking about this company right here is because ABB unveils plans to carry out its electric vehicle charging business into a separate legal structure to prepare the unit for a potential IPO as it returned to pre-pandemic profit levels. This is good right here. So we have, it's not going to be a SPAC, okay? It's an IPO. So I mean, look at what was that one? QS, man, they ran that shit, man, boy. But this one right here, they already have everything lined up. I mean, they're just coming up with an IPO that's like, it's going to be the separate business, the legal structure. They already have the infrastructure there. They already, I mean, did you just not hear what I just said? I mean, it's all right there. They can handle their own stuff. They do their own preventive maintenance. They manufacture their own parts. This is wow. This is good right here. This is going to be a big company right here. I can't wait for them to IPO. But the e-mobility business could fetch a valuation of $1.5 billion to $2 billion. Kepler analyst William Markey says, well, that's what he says. I mean, I think $3 billion. I mean, I'm not even going to be shooting $3.5 to $5 billion. I mean, we're talking about EV charging unit, and These guys over here, they're crazy. We need during the coming years to make any acquisitions within the area to keep the leading position we have today in the market. CEO tells Bloomberg, adding that an IPO would bring in funds to make software-related acquisitions. That's smart, man. This guy knows what he's doing. I mean, they've been doing this slow. I mean, slow and smooth, smooth is steady, something like that. The business assumed $220 million in revenue in 2020 and has enjoyed an average growth rate of 50% over the past 5 years. Oh, wow. Yeah, let me go bring up the 5-year chart right here. Let me show you guys what we see. Come on, baby. There we go, right there. So, yeah, there's the 5-year chart. I mean, she was already on chart until before the lockdown happened. We were already in a range to break out. We just came out from a downward trend. We hit this range. We were getting ready to break up, but then all this happened. Now we're already past. Like, we're continuing the range up. So let me see, what are we looking at right now? The 1 week. And I don't want to hear nobody be like, man, he's using Robinhood. How you gonna, man? I mean, candlesticks are candlesticks, man. Shut the hell up. Act like, man. I don't do day trading no more. It's too stressful, but yeah, it has a nice upward trend going on, and I like that we're down here towards the bottom over here. So this means we're gonna break out. We're on a breakout for an upward trend, not a downward. Okay, we're about to break up upwards, not downwards. So back into what I got over here. I'm not gonna waste too much time. So they had 50% over the past 5 years, which I just showed you guys that the Swiss engineering company reported Q1 net profit rose 34% year to year to $502 million, not far from the $535 million for Q1 2019. And it said it expects its orders and revenue grow by more than 10% during Q2. Yeah, I believe that. Oh, yeah, and they had earnings today. They beat earnings. Earnings were in line of 0.26. Perfect revenue. They were up at $6.9 billion. Beats the $10 million. Orders, $7.8 billion. Gross margin is 39.2. The operational EBITDA is at plus 51% year to year as of estimate of 864. EBITDA margin was 13.81 versus the estimates of 12, so it was 1% on EBITDA. That's not bad. That's pretty good. I like that. Yeah. So yeah, if you haven't already, drop a comment, subscribe, or whatever. I'm on to the next one. But keep an eye out for this IPO to hit. I think it's gonna be a good one. I'm out, baby.